So, you've already shoot your first video. Maybe you want to publish your video on YouTube. But there is a problem. Popular video editing software like Premiere are not free. So, in this tutorial, I will tell you what is the best video editing software for web and computer. Hello, my name is Madhyar and here is the Skill Cafe. Here in the Skill Cafe, I'm trying to teach you programming, video editing and photography. So if you're new here, consider subscribe. And if you click on the bell icon, you won't miss any upcoming videos. So let's jump to the tutorial. By far, the best free video editing software is Davinci Resolve. You can color grade your footage in Davinci Resolve and you have so many effects and so many accessibility to work with Davinci Resolve. But there is a caveat. This program, like any other powerful and popular programs like Premiere and Final Cut Pro X, need a powerful hardware. So, if you don't have a powerful hardware, you should try our second suggestion and our second recommendation. The second program is KapWing. It is a web-based program and there is some of only web-based program that doesn't have watermark on your video. And it has an advantages than Davinci Resolve. Working with KapWing is so easy. But working with Davinci Resolve needs a little bit computer science. But KapWing has so many features. For example, you can shoot your video in green screen and you can edit your green screen footage in KapWing. So, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. The question of the day, which of these programs was more useful for you? Davinci Resolve or KapWing. By the way, if you get value in this tutorial, please hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and goodbye.